Hi. I'm Amanda. Welcome. And this is Dr. K.
Hi Amanda, thanks for the intro. Today we're talking about nanos. What are nanos? How do they work? How do I use them? And when should I use them? And
Let's get started, Dr. K. We know nanos is a cognitive supplement. A nootropic agent that is good for mind well-being. But how does something made from Manuka honey help the mind think?
it's those billion little beauties. Why use something topically on your skin? And how does that give you cognitive energy?
There are many questions, and we now have the answer. It comes down to looking at biology in a completely different way. It's as big a change as going from general relativity to quantum mechanics. We have developed a model that covers both the very big and very small but using the same language. It's a model that shows the earliest stages of the universe and the processes involved. What this means is that our earliest stages of evolution can be understood. How biology uses not only light and biophotons, but how our biology is using unstable atoms to form memory and recall information from the past.
We found the location where light is stored and the process that uses hydrogen through quantum tunneling to generate memory formation.
How did you discover such a remarkable process? Was it by chance or by divine intervention?
In 2013, I discovered quantum jumping. I went from 2013 to 2055 as I broke open the aromatic ring of dopamine and released the light stored within. What did I see? A golden sphere in front of me, 2 meters in diameter. 2 smaller spheres on either side, and I knew that my life would be changed forever. It was divine intervention. It showed me that materialism was a dead science. There goes materialism. Burning up in flames. I started again from the beginning and developed this new science model called supersymmetry inversion, so I could see inside the aromatic ring without measuring. I've been learning the rules of the ring and how it controls time through the release of light based on isotope physics, half-life timings. I've developed a new language based on kilojoules per mole, meters per second, to understand the velocity of the atom during the decay process.
So you have developed a new science model that allows you to see things in a different way using a logical model. That is interesting, and you have applied that model to the generation of atoms within the aromatic ring and identified the role that hydrogen plays in memory formation and memory recall.
I discovered the processes that are associated with the unconscious mind.
So how does nanos fit into this story? We know that the phenolic compounds bound to the royal jelly proteins contain the aromatic rings that are forming mineral complexes. Are these coordinated minerals doing the same things as our neurotransmitters in storing hydrogen within the ring?
That's right. These antioxidant phenolic compounds bound to the royal jelly proteins isolated from Manuka honey, they're performing the same physics, giving additional cognitive energy for thinking.
So are you saying that nanos can make you smarter? Have you done the clinical trials to prove this scientifically?
No, but it's early days in the development of the product. What I have done is developed a scientific theory for single atoms housed in the aromatic rings of neurotransmitters and connected that to my own personal experience of quantum leaping or spiritual healing back in 2013 to make sense of how the technology breaks open the aromatic ring and releases the energy, the stored light of memory that was housed inside.
So how do you use these royal jelly proteins isolated from Manuka honey? You said you apply the product onto your skin, and you do that to bypass first-pass metabolism of the liver and the glyoxylase biochemical pathway that is converting MgO into lactate.
That's right. The skin's innervated, which means it has the neurological cells in amongst all the other cells of the skin. That's why we can feel things. And the cells of the skin and the cells of the brain came from the same cell origin, the ectoderm, in the fetus. So our bodies are essentially one big brain storing all the information.
So do you have a daily routine to enhance your cognitive function? And if so, what happens to your dreams at night when you take NANOS and break open those aromatic rings of your neurotransmitters? Do you think it would help me to make my dreams come true? Ah, there it is. Just what I need to get my beauty sleep. My dream catcher. I love looking at my rejuvenated skin. Those atomic stars really do the trick. They are really small but pack quite the punch when it comes to radiant beauty. I use the skin serum every night just before bed. It's now making my dreams come true while I'm asleep. What are my dreams, you ask? That's funny. To make the world a beautiful place for everyone.
The additional energy certainly helps to allow you to walk in the direction of your dreams.